For this week's Thren Thursday, we are soaring over the largest population of the globally vulnerable Rocky-Shoals spider lily. This species specializes in growing on the shallow, rocky outcropping known as the fall line. The fall line is the transition zone between the upland Upper Piedmont and the lower Atlantic coastal plain. This line travels through Landsford Canal State Park in South Carolina, continuing through Georgia and ending in Alabama. To adapt to the mighty forces of the Catawba River, the Rocky-Shoals spider lily has a bulb that clings to the cracks of submerged boulders. From this bulb, long, erect, leathery leaves emerge. The flower stalk can reach a height of 4 feet, showcasing 5 to 8 magnificent flowers. Each flower consists of 6 narrow white tepals that radiate outwards. These radiant tepals surround a toothed corona or a trumpet-shaped cup. 6 stamens can be observed surrounding the inner green tube. Check out the Rocky-Shoals spider lily next time you are in the South Carolina area.